I'm Jessie, and I live in San Diego, California. So much surprised me in the program. You know, when you eat well and eat clean and move a lot, and again, I was doing the best with the information I had. I didn't know that there was so much room for improvement. And that was exciting to me. Consistently surprised at just how many little adjustments I could make. I'm enjoying understanding the elements of my meal more. Now I have this wealth of knowledge and information where I get to play with how my meals look, and I'm back in the kitchen, which is more exciting. It's a really fun game now that I have the information to tweak. It's the opposite of restricting, really. It's so empowering because everything's workable once you have the information. There's always people cheering people on, whether it's for fitting into a new outfit or crushing a workout. It's really high vibe. There's always wins being celebrated. It feels so supportive. The most poignant part for me, to choose myself in all of these little ways, these smaller ways day to day that compound into really big ways, to choose myself over and over again, to commit to myself over and over again with every choice. All those little decisions. It's like you can look back on your week and you have 30 wins, and then you get to celebrate yourself, and then you get to stand stronger, and then you get to see your body change and your mindset change, your entire vibe frequency change, and it's contagious. It just encourages you to do it more. So it's this up-leveling effect. Just like showing up for myself has directly affected how I show up for my family and how I show up for my marriage and how I show up for my kids. That's the spiritual aspect of the program that I wasn't expecting, is just how many elements of my life have been affected beyond food and exercise. Didn't think I was going to cry. But I'm really proud of myself, and I just want more. It feels good to show up for myself.